In this video, I will show you how you can fix the iMessage activation error on your iPad. Now, if you're facing the iMessage activation error on your iPad, first of all, just open the control center on your iPad, then go to the connection section. Now over here, just make sure that your iPad is connected to the internet. After that, just tap on the airplane mode icon and turn it on. Then just wait for a couple of seconds, then tap on it again and turn it off. And by doing that, you will do a quick network refresh on your iPad. After you do that, then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just go to Settings and tap on your Apple ID. If you are not signed in, just sign into your Apple ID over here. But if you're already signed in, then just scroll down to the bottom of this page and tap on Sign Out. Then just sign out of your Apple ID. After that, just go to the Recent Apps section and remove the Settings app from the Recent Apps section. After that, just go back to Settings and tap on your Apple ID section and sign into your Apple ID again. Then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just follow the next method. For that, under Settings, just tap on General. Now under the General Settings, just scroll down and tap on Date and Time. And over here, just check if the date and the time of your iPad are correct or not. If they are incorrect, you can set them manually just like that. And you can do the same thing with the time. But what I recommend is just enable Set Automatically. And by doing that, your iPad will automatically set the correct date and time according to your region. After you do that, then just go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPad. To do that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. And once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. And after the force restart process has been completed, then just go to your home screen and check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then the last thing you can do is just go to Settings. Now under Settings, just tap on General. Now under the General Settings, just tap on Software Update and check if you have any update available or not. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPad, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through software update. And after you do that, then just go back to General Settings and tap on Transfer or Reset iPad. Then just tap on Reset, and from this pop-up menu, just select Reset Network Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and select Reset. And by doing that, you will not delete any data of your iPad. You will just reset all the network related settings of your iPad. But if this also did not work, then just go back to this section again and tap on Reset. But this time, just select Reset All Settings. Now just enter your lock screen PIN and select Reset. Again, this will not delete any data of your iPad. It will just reset all the settings of your iPad in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. And this is how you can fix the iMessage activation error on any iPad. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.